Here is part 2 of the literal equations worksheet number 1. Question 7. We need to get x by itself. So we need to get rid of this positive 4. So the opposite of positive 4 is negative 4. So on the left I get negative 34 is equal to negative 8x. And now to get x by itself, I'm going to divide by negative 8. And I'm left with x is equal to 34 over 8, which reduces to 17/4. So remember, on your calculators, you want to type in negative 34 divided by negative 8, and you get 4.25. To turn that into a fraction, you hit Math, Enter, Enter. And then your screen will look like that, and that'll tell you 17/4 is the reduced answer. Please pause the video and try 7, Part B. To do 7, Part B, we are going to get rid of this 10. So I'm going to subtract 10, subtract 10. 7a and negative 10 are not like terms, so I need to write them separately. And this is still a negative 2h. So I need to take that negative sign with. And then our last step is to divide by a negative 2. And we're left with h is equal to 7a minus 10 divided by negative 2. And now if we use the distributive property, divide the first pair of terms, divide the second pair of terms, we actually get something that simplifies, because a negative 10 divided by a negative 2 is a positive 5. So this would be your most simplified answer. Number 8. We are going to use the distributive property to get rid of parentheses first. Do not forget to multiply the 3 times the 4 to get negative 12. Then I'm going to add 12. And I get 3x is equal to 24. And my last step is to divide by 3. So x is equal to 8. Please pause the video and try the literal equation for Part B. Our first step is to use distributive property. We're trying to get p by itself. So I need to get rid of my 20x first. So I'm left with positive 5p equals w minus 20x. And my last step is to divide by 5. And now w is by itself, or excuse me, p is by itself, and I get w minus 20x over 5. And then if I do distributive property and simplify, I get w divided by 5 minus 20 divided by 5 is 4x. And that would be your most simplified answer. Which of the following is equivalent to this equation? So equivalent means what is the same. So it looks like all of these are solved for a. So our directions might as well be solved for a. So we need to get a by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is add 8b. So I recopied this and tried to solve it. So I get 7a is equal to 10x plus 8b. Notice these two are not like terms, so I have to write them separately. And now I need to divide by 7. So I get a equals 10x plus 8b divided by 7. So we're looking for the correct answer over here, and it looks like our answer is B. The last question, again, I'm going to recopy in the margin. It says, which of the following is equivalent to this equation? Well, in this one, it looks like we're solving for k. So we need to get k by itself. So what I want you to do is show your work, do this one in the margin somewhere in some blank space on your paper, get k by itself, and choose letter A, letter B, or letter C, and then hand this worksheet in. Again, remember, all your work needs to be shown. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.